Introduce highlight features or overview summary for amazing flower vacuum sealer for food with visible water tank. Highlight features or overview summary are include: revolutionize food storage. Tired of old-style vacuum sealers that are big, heavy, and barely work? This mini handheld vacuum sealer redefines food preservation with a wireless, compact design that's easy to use and store. Enjoy powerful vacuum sealing without the bulk. Pocket-sized convenience. Only 6.4 inch tall and 1.7 inch in diameter, this compact vacuum sealer is about the size of a spice grinder. No power outlet needed. Whether you're meal prepping in the kitchen, packing snacks for travel, or preserving food while camping, it fits anywhere and goes everywhere. One-touch vacuum. This food-saver handheld vacuum sealer starts with one press and automatically stops when vacuuming is complete. Reduce waste and keep food fresh 5x longer. An easy and economical way to protect your food and your wallet. 30 upgraded vacuum bags. Includes 30 BPA-free reusable vacuum bags in 3 sizes, small, medium, large, with double-layer zippers and upgraded valves. Made from food-grade PE, boil-proof, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, freezer-safe, -40 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher-safe, and reusable without odor retention. Vacuum sealer machine providing a complete food storage solution. Built for long-term use. With extended battery life, this cordless vacuum sealer handles multiple sessions per charge. Bonus: seal documents, emergency gear, or keep matches, rope, and first aid kits dry on outdoor trips. Also ideal for organizing electronics and travel accessories. More than a kitchen gadget, it's your everyday storage tool. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.